So we're looking at these questions. Basically, they are on
Mm.
word problems on multiplication of numbers. So
Yeah.
the first one says a car travels a distance of 345 kilometers every day. What distance will it travel in a year? And that depends if the year is going to be a leap year or a regular year. Okay.
Okay.
But since there is no information regarding that it's a leap year, so definitely we're going to use the number of days in a regular year. So one year equals to 365 days. Then the car travels 345 kilometers in one day. So in 2 days, it will travel two times the distance. Okay.
Okay.
Then we can say in 365 days, it will travel 365 times the distance, kilometers. So we have 365 multiplied by 345. So 5 times 5 is what?
25.
Okay, so 5, I keep 2. 5 times 6 is what?
30.
Plus the 2 I kept, that is 32. I keep 3. 5 times 3 is what?
15.
Plus the 3 I kept, that is 18. Now 4 times 5, that's the second digit on that at the bottom. 4 times 5 is what?
Uh, 4 times 5. That's 20.
20. I write 0, I keep 2. 4 times 6 is what?
Let me see. 6, 12, 18, 24.
24 plus the 2 I kept, that is 26. I keep 2 again. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 plus 2, that is 14. So I'm going to use 3 also to multiply all of them. 3 times 5 is 15, right? I
Yeah.
keep 1. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1, that is 19. I keep 1 again. 3 times 3, that's 9 plus 1, making 10. So I'm going to add up all these layers of multiplication to get my final answer. So nothing is here, so I drop down to 5. Then 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So I keep 1. Then 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus this, that's 14. Plus 1 I brought, that is 20. Oh, that's 15. Okay.
Okay.
Then I brought 1 to make this layer. So that would be 1 plus 1, that's 2 plus 0. That's then this. So that means in one single year, the car, provided that it travels all of 345 kilometers every day, then it's going to travel 125,000 kilometers, 125,925 kilometers in one year. So, did you get that for the first one? You put 124, 125, or 124, is it 124, 925? What did you get for number one?
Let me see.
Number one in the homework one.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Let me find the page.
Yeah, I think it's here up here, the first page. The first page you sent to me.
Yeah, it's
124, 925.
100. Yeah, 124,925.
And that is not in line with this, okay? Don't worry, we're going to take note of the correction later, so let's just continue for now. So the second question, let me remove this first question, since you already have the questions written down. So to the second question, what we have here says a book cost $67. How much will be paid for 102 of such books? So number two, one book equal $67. So two books will be 67 times two. Definitely 102 books will be the amount of one times 102. So that means we have 102 times 67. So 7 times 2 is 14. I keep 1. 7 times 0, that is 0 plus 1. That's 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. Then 6 times 2 is 12. I keep 1. 6 times 0, that is 0 plus 1. That's 1. Then 6 times 1 is 6. So I'm going to add up these two layers of multiplication. So adding this up is going to give me, this is 4 here, this is 3, and this is 8, while this is 6. So this is going to be $6,824 as the cost of 102 books. Is that correct? 6834. Let's see if you get that. You got 6294. 6294. So that means there is something wrong with that addition or the multiplication stuff there. So just have to take notes of that. Okay?
Okay.
So this number one and two. So let's go to the third one. So for number three, okay, I need to move this second homework down a bit so that it can be enough time or spaces. Okay. So for number three, we have a bicycle cost $215. How much will be paid for 87 of such bicycles? So that means again we're multiplying this result. So number three, one bicycle cost $215. So want to know the cost of 87 bicycles. So multiplying by itself. So 87 bicycles will cost 215 times 87. And this is going to give us, we have 7 times 5 is 35. Keep 3. So 35, I keep 3. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3. That is 10. I keep 1. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1. That's 15. And 8 times 5 is 40. I keep 4. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4. That's 12. I keep 2. I keep 1. Then 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1. That is 17. So we add up these two layers of multiplication together. Then we have 5 drops down here, 0, then 7, then 8, and 1. So that is $18,705 as a cost of 87 bicycles. Then number 4, question number 4 says the monthly salary of a man is $2,625. What is his annual income by salary? So that means you're going to multiply this by 12 because each month collects a salary and there are 12 months in a regular year. So 12 months, we have 1 month equal 2,625. So 12 months pay, which is equal to 1 year, will be the salary for 1 month times 12. So I'm going to just put it at the bottom. So times 12. So what we have is to multiply all of this. So we have 2 times 5 is 10, keep 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 6 is 12, keep 1. And 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. That's 5. Then the next layer, 1 times everything. So 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2, 1 times 6, and 1 times 2. So we're just going to add up these layers together. And we have 0 comes down here. This is 10, keep 1. This is 14, 4 plus 1, that's 5. And this is 11, then you keep 1 and add to this to give 3. So it's going to have $31,500 at the end of the year. So that is the solution to the first part of your homework, okay? Is that it?
Yeah.
So I'm still going to give you some time to write it down. This one you already did. You did some of them in the class yesterday. So you did one of them correctly in the class. That's why I say you should go and try the remaining ones as homework 2. So the second one, which is number 2, here says a carton holds 24 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 12 biscuits. How many biscuits can be packed in 45 cartons? So here now, 1 carton equal 24 pieces, okay?
Okay.
Or 24 packets. Not pieces, packets this time around. So packets. Then we have 1 packet equal 12 pieces of biscuits, okay?
Okay.
So that means um, the 12 times 24 will be in 1 carton. So 1 carton will be the 24 packs times 12 pieces, okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
So times 24 pieces. So we have 2 times 4, that is 8, 2 times 2, that's 4, 1 times 4, and 1 times 2. So we get this to be 8, 8, 288 pieces in 1 carton. Then it says how many biscuits will be in 45 cartons. So 1 carton, let me write that again. 1 carton equal to 88 pieces. And 2 cartons will be 288 times 2. 3 cartons will be 288 times 3. So we can say 45 cartons equal to 288 times 45 pieces. So times 45. We have 8 at the top, 8, and can you write that 8 again? So it's 288. So 5 times 8 is 40. I keep 4. 5 times 8, 40 again. That's 44. I keep 4 again. So 5 times 2, that's 10 plus 4, that's 14. Then 4 times 8 is 32. Keep 3. 32 again, make it 35. Keep 3. Then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3, that's 11. So I add up these layers together. This is 0, this is 6, this is 9, this is 2, and this is 1. That's 12,960 pieces of biscuits. Okay,
Okay.
good.
Yeah.
Let's see. The next one, which is number 3. Number 3 says there are 226 pencils in a packet. How many pencils will be in 212 of such packet? So that means we have one packet, one pack gives us 226 pencils. So we can say 212 packs will be 226 times 212. So 2 times 6 is 12. Keep 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 2 again, 4. Then
Okay.
1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 and 1 times 2. We write them under their place values. So 2 times 6 again, that is 12. Keep 1. 2 times 2, 4. It's 5. 2 times 1, 2. So one add up this particular layer together. So we have, this is 2. This is 11 plus 2, that's 13. Keep 1. 5 plus 5, that's 10. Then that's 2. Then we have 2 plus 2. Okay. Insert 10. That's, I keep 1, so this is 5. So this is going to be 5,232 pencils. And the last question, but not the least, let's move this to a separate page. So we're going to have here a bag contains 289 apples. How many apples will 72 such bags have? So say apples, not eight. So that means we are multiplying also, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So to multiply this, we simply have one bag equal to 89 apples. So 72 bags will be equal to 89 times 72. 2 times 9 is 18, you keep 1. And 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1, that's 17, you keep 1 again. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, that's 5. So 7 times 9 is 63, right? 3, keep 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 6 gives you what?
Wait. 12.
56 plus 6, 56 plus 6.
Oh, 62.
62. So you write 2, you keep 6 again. 7 times 2 is 14. So what is 14 plus 6? That's 20, right?
Yeah.
Then 7, okay, I think that's the 2A. So we want to add up these list together. Then we have 8 drop down. This is 0. That's 10 as 0. So 7 plus 1, that's 8. Then 0 and 2. So that means it's going to be 20,808 apples in 72 bags. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to give you some time to write this down. Then If there's still time, you're going to take the classwork before I give you assignment. But if there is no time, you let me see. This
So
one, wait, this one that you wrote 21,808. Let me see the answer. This is 20,808, not 21,000. Then the other one I wrote 48,012. That is number four. Is, maybe call number four. There is no such answer here, okay? So technically, you are writing all of the solutions. You don't need to write the question again since you have them in your notes, okay?
okay.
So I think you got one which is 18,000. I mean, what's this one? 18,275 and 31,600. Okay, yeah, the 18,000 you got. The correct answer is 18,705. Okay, so
Okay.
probably what might be going wrong was maybe some of your multiplication or the way you lay them out to add them together. Okay,
Yeah.
so take your time to write. Once you're through with the first solution, let me know. Then you move to number two.
Okay.